and there is some in there. See them flying out? Okay, here we go. Hey, this is Billy. Welcome back. Today's a little bit different. I've been interested in bees for a long time. There's a buddy of mine that raises bees, and I've got a couple of nukes from him, and I really appreciate it. And when I went to pick them up, I put them in my toolbox, and somehow or another the little latch on the nukes got loose, and they was all over my toolbox last time. There's some still in my toolbox. I'm gonna open it up in just a minute and let them out. And this is my nukes, and you can see one of them has an old coat on it because the bees was all in that coat. And there's my other nuke. I got 2 nuke boxes and 2 brand new queens, 2024. So that's gonna give me a good start. And I bought some 10 frame deep bee boxes to put them in. And I'll put a link in the description box where I got them at. Okay, now I'm gonna open my toolbox and see if there's any bees still left in there. Oh, and there is some in there. See them flying out? Okay, now I'm gonna carry my frame down there and just make sure everything's level, because that wax, so when it gets hot, may drip or they build things, and when they build things, it's straight up and down. So I need to get it level as I can. These are my bee boxes. They are 10 frame deep. And these plastic inners are coated with wax to encourage the bees to build wax out on them. So I'm gonna take 5 of them. This is it. My covers are down here. Here's the bottom board. And I'm gonna set this on top of here like this. I'm gonna set 5 of these frames in here, because there's already 5 frames in that nuke, and I'll take those bees and set them on in here, and then they'll have a new home, and I'll be taking care of them. And this right here is the opening to keep most of everything out. There's the wide, and here is the small entrance, which you're supposed to put this one in the winter. So I'll do that. Let me carry these down there, and I'll come back and I'll get my bee suit on and we'll try it out. And it's to go in to lift the hive up and do any scraping and stuff I need to do while I'm in the hive. Let's get it. Let's see how they act. Okay, here we go. I didn't see the queen in one of them, but I did in the other one. I'm sure she's still there. Okay, here's the sugar water that I mixed up this morning. And it's 1 part water, 1 part sugar. And I just poured it together and mixed it up. And I'm gonna put it in this chicken water. And when I get this chicken water set up and everything, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some sticks and stuff like this all around here so the bees don't fall down in there and drown. And this is gonna give them a good start. And I'm gonna come out here in a couple of days with a 5-gallon bucket. And next time I check on them, and we'll see. But you can see we've got plenty of flowers and everything else for them to feed off of. So let's do this. All right. Hopefully I didn't get too much, but it'd be all right if I did too. Boy, you can tell that is thick. I'll have to sit down on the ground. I'll have bees all over my truck. Alright. I'll go over here and set this up as pretty much as level as I can. Once they find it, they'll go back and do a little dance, and it actually tells the other bees where to go to find the sugar water. But we've got plenty of flowers out here too. So, and if y'all enjoy my videos, y'all be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, because we still got that beaver down to take care of.